Hello everyone, welcome to Q&A with BA. I'm Sarah. This here is Clint Hanson.
Hello.
We're so excited to have you on this special episode. Now, so the last episode was, we wanted to pay respect to Thanksgiving. We didn't want to just jump into the next holiday. But now it's time to celebrate, and it's Christmas time. Yes, we are officially in December. We have our tree, we have our lights, we have our ornaments. Yeah, you guys like that? You could do that to your own tree. Okay, we should also address that for a little while now, and some of you guys have noticed, we haven't been in our typical armory, traditional, wonderful, beautiful setting.
Yeah.
We appreciate y'all's patience as we're shifting things around, and now we have this lovely armory set up, and we're so happy to be here with our Christmas decor, and yes, it's very exciting. It's time for questions.
Alrighty. What do you got?
I have three fantastic questions from two fantastic friends. You guys get ready for this because you are going to be blown away. Here we go. Geared Mind has a question for us, and the question is, what is Clint's favorite do-all 5.56 barrel length? Also, this is a second question.
Okay, I'll remember it.
Also, are M-LOK handguards on their way to your complete uppers from your site?
Ooh, I'm gonna do these backwards. M-LOK uppers? Yeah, that's a really good question. We've got some new stuff cooking for 2019, so I'm not gonna tell you too much, but there's gonna be a ton of options, ton of M-LOK. More M-LOK than you can handle.
Wow.
And just the whole kit and caboodle of rail lengths. That's gonna be awesome to accommodate everyone out there. Super exciting stuff. I'm gonna shut up now though, that's all you get. All right, barrel of choice for do-all. That's a tough one. Gonna have to say 14.5 inch BA Hanson barrel performance series. Because I can pin and weld it to be 16 overall. So I can throw a suppressor on there if I want. I'm a pretty tall guy, so 14 5-inch barrel, that rig's not too long for me, so if I gotta maneuver, it can still be considered pretty small for me. But I can stretch it out to shoot a little further as well and be surgical with it. So, yep, 14.5 inch BA Hanson performance. That's my favorite dual barrel. I think so. Because I just went with my heart on that one. Because in my head I was thinking like 3 other ones too, but it wouldn't be dual. This is honest.
Okay. Going with your gut.
Yeah. So
Awesome.
There you go.
Thank you for sharing your gut, Mr. Hanson. All right.
Sharing my gut.
Yeah, sharing your gut.
That's a new term for throwing up.
Oh. Our third question is from our fantastic friend, Modern Mountain Man. Okay, this happened last week, and I just want to address it again, just in case. This is the second time we've used a question from our friend, Modern Mountain Man. Yes, it's happening again. Don't get upset if one of your questions hasn't been used yet. Don't get jealous, don't get emotional, don't start throwing things, don't rip the lights off your Christmas tree and throw your children's presents in the fire. Please don't do any of those things. Just keep sending us questions.
I think they're okay.
Be happy.
I think they're okay.
Be filled with cheer. I just want to make sure. Modern Mountain Man says, so I'm planning on competing in a run and gun, which is basically a 5K mud run with guns. This sounds fun. The rifle stations can vary from CQB to distances out to 500 yards. An accurate, lightweight barrel would be ideal. Which barrels would you recommend for accuracy, dependability in the elements, and weight? Great question, Modern Mountain Man. Clint Hanson, what do you think?
Any one of the 3 16-inch pencil barrels in either modern or performance. I say that because it needs to be a 5.56 NATO. You're going to be in the mud and the dirt. That's the round you want to use. 16 inches, so you can stretch it out there, but it's not so long you can't get in there with your close quarters combat. So you got a 16-inch pencil carbine, 16-inch pencil mid in the modern series, or go with the 16-inch BA Hanson mid-length pencil barrel for the performance series. I think that's the one a lot of people use.
Can I ask, okay, if you were doing this,
If I was doing it,
what would you go with? What's your gut telling you this time?
my gut this time, I'd probably stick with my 14.5. because that's my dual barrel. And this sounds like a dual course and you're running and everything. I just say go with the 16 just to get that extra inch and a half on there, just for those shots out there. I never really shoot a 5.56 or anything out to 500 yards, but you may in this muddied medley of fun and gun run. So
It's like a poem.
that's where I was going with that. But yeah, 16-inch pencil barrel. Save a little money in the modern series if you want with a carbine or a mid-length, or bump that up to a performance barrel. Nickel bore barrel extension, be a Hanson barrel. Comes with a pinhole profile gas block. You're good to go. I think that's the one.
Awesome. Thank you, Mr. Hanson, for that fantastic answer.
Absolutely.
For those fantastic
Yeah, there was like
answers.
3 of them.
Yeah, you guys did good. Sneak a couple more questions in there. Thank you so much, you guys.
Thrice.
Yeah.
Sorry, I want to say that word.
Ooh, or thrive. I think that's from SpongeBob SquarePants. Patrick says thrive at one point. Anyway, I never watched that show. We hope that you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and click that little bell icon so that you get notified every time we do a new video. We have new Q&A videos up every Thursday. What? Yeah, it's true. And if you guys want to share with us your Christmas festivities, what are you doing to decorate? What traditions do you have? I want to hear all about it. You know me. You know. I want to hear about it. I want to see this guy answer one of your questions. Comment below. We sure can't wait to see what you guys send us. Time for questions. Question time. Okay. I don't know. We should have a theme song for question. No, we shouldn't. Okay. All right, our first question. Awesome, Mr. Hanson. Oh, I like that voice. Can you do that? Can you do that more often?
No.
Can you sign off like Kermit?
No.
Please.
No.
It's Christmas.
No.